Hi, let's talk about verbs. So, verbs are, in its simplistic sense, action words. In Tagalog or Filipino, pandiwa ang tawag natin. But in this episode, let's focus on one type of verb which is yung action verb. Action verbs are verbs that show action. Ito yung mga pandiwa na nagpapakita ng aksyon. So, for example, eat o kain, sleep o tulog, bite o kagat, walk o lakad, run o takbo, write o sulat, read o basa, sing o kanta. Let's have here some sample sentences. The man is blank a burger. So, nakikita natin si kuya kumakain ng burger. Kapag kumakain, sa English ay tama, eating. Let's have here another sample sentence. The woman is blank all by herself. So, nakikita nating naglalakad dito si ate. Kapag naglalakad naman, sa English ay tama, walking. Follow for more content about English grammar.